Making Money with Bingx, a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trading on the Bingx platform. Hello, fans of the cryptocurrency exchange Bingx. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make money with Bingx through cryptocurrency trading. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of digital assets and learn the ins and outs of leveraging the powerful Bingx platform to potentially generate profits. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience in crypto trading, this video will equip you with invaluable knowledge and strategies. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's embark on this journey together. Bingx is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly platform for trading a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. With its cutting-edge technology, advanced trading tools, and robust security measures, Bingx has become a popular choice among traders worldwide. To begin your journey with Bingx, the first step is to create an account. The registration process is straightforward and can be completed in a matter of minutes. Simply visit the Bingx website or download their mobile app, click on the register button, and follow the prompts. Be sure to use the referral code 911 during the registration process to unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses. Once you've successfully created your account, the next step is to fund it with cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Bingx supports multiple deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and various cryptocurrency wallets. It's important to note that the available funding options may vary depending on your location and local regulations. With your account funded, you're ready to start trading on Bingx. The platform offers two primary trading modes: spot trading and derivatives trading. Let's explore each of these modes in detail. 1. Spot trading. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at their current market prices. This trading mode is ideal for investors who want to hold digital assets for the long term or engage in short-term trading opportunities. Bingx provides a user-friendly spot trading interface, allowing you to place buy and sell orders with ease. You can also take advantage of the platform's advanced charting tools and technical indicators to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. 2. Derivatives trading. Derivatives trading on Bingx involves trading cryptocurrency futures contracts and perpetual contracts. These contracts derive their value from underlying assets such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Derivatives trading offers the opportunity to leverage your position, enabling you to control a larger position size with a smaller initial investment. It's important to note that leverage also amplifies both potential profits and losses, so risk management is crucial. Bingx offers a variety of derivative trading products, including A. Cryptocurrency futures contracts. These contracts allow you to speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency without actually owning the underlying asset. Bingx provides futures contracts with various expiration dates, allowing you to take positions based on your trading strategy and market outlook. B. Perpetual contracts. Perpetual contracts, also known as inverse perpetual contracts, are similar to futures contracts but without an expiration date. These contracts allow you to hold positions indefinitely, making them suitable for long-term trading strategies. C. Margin trading. Bingx also offers margin trading, which enables you to borrow funds from the exchange to increase your trading position size. This can amplify your potential profits, but also carries higher risks, so it's essential to understand and manage your risk exposure effectively. To enhance your trading experience and potentially increase your chances of success, Bingx provides a range of advanced trading tools and features. These include 1. Advanced order types. Bingx supports various order types such as market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stop orders. These order types allow you to manage your trades more effectively and implement risk management strategies. 2. Technical analysis tools. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of technical analysis tools, including charting capabilities, indicators, and drawing tools. These tools can help you identify market patterns, trends, and potential entry and exit points for your trades. 3. Portfolio management. Bingx allows you to track and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio seamlessly. You can monitor your holdings, track your profits and losses, and access detailed trading history and performance reports. 4. Social trading. Bingx's social trading feature enables you to follow and copy the trades of successful traders on the platform. This can be particularly useful for beginners who want to learn from experienced traders and potentially replicate their strategies. 5. Educational resources. To help you enhance your trading knowledge and skills, Bingx provides a wealth of educational resources, including trading guides, tutorials, webinars, and a dedicated blog covering various topics related to cryptocurrency trading and blockchain technology. As with any investment or trading activity, it's crucial to understand and manage the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading. While the potential for profits exists, there are also inherent risks such as market volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and the potential for hacking or cybersecurity breaches. It's essential to conduct thorough research, develop a sound trading strategy, and practice risk management techniques to mitigate potential losses. Bingx prioritizes the security of its platform and user funds. The exchange employs industry-standard security measures, including cold storage for the majority of user funds, multi-signature wallets, and advanced encryption protocols. Bingx has implemented Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) procedures to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and maintain a safe trading environment. Bingx offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the exchange provides the tools and resources necessary to navigate the dynamic world of digital assets. By leveraging the platform's advanced trading features, educational resources, and social trading capabilities, you can potentially enhance your trading skills and increase your chances of success. Remember, always use the referral code 911 during registration to unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses. Cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks, and it's crucial to approach it with caution and a solid understanding of the market dynamics. Conduct thorough research, develop a risk management strategy, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With discipline, patience, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can potentially unlock the opportunities that the cryptocurrency market has to offer. Happy trading on Bingx, and may the crypto